Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is our C programming series, and if you have not seen our previous videos, then watch it. Link is given into the description box. Now we are learning, in this video we are learning C function. Let's get started with the video. What is a function? Function is a block of statements. A large C program is divided into basic building blocks called a C function. C functions contains set of instruction enclosed by curly bracket which performs specific operation in a C program. Actually, a collection of these functions create a C program. Uses of a C function. C functions are used to avoid rewriting same logic or code again and again in a program. There is no limit in calling a C functions to make use of a same functionality wherever required. We can call functions any number of times in a program and from anywhere, any place in a program. A large C program can easily be tracked when it is divided into functions. The core concept of C functions are reusability, dividing a big task into small pieces to achieve the functionality and to improve understandability of a very large C program. Now we will see C function aspects. There are three aspects in a C. Function declaration or a prototype. This informs the compiler about the function name, function parameter and return values data type. Function call, this calls the actual function. Then function definition, this contains all the statements to be executed. Syntax for the function definition is a return type, function name, and inside the bracket argument list will be there, and in curly bracket body of a function, means statements will be there, function statements which are going to be executed. This is a syntax for the function definition. Then function call, syntax for function call is a function name and argument list. Third one is a function declaration. Syntax for declaration is a return type, function name and argument list is a syntax for function declaration. Now we will see a program. First we declare a preprocessor command. Then our function declaration will be there. We are declaring here function float, square, and argument is a float x which come inside a bracket. Now we are calling our main function. Our main function is a int main is a function. We open a curly bracket here. We declared a variable float type m and n. In a printf statement, we are return enter some number for finding square. Then scanf statement is here for taking an input. We are given here scanf statement. Inside a scanf statement, we return %f because we declared a variable data type is a float. So %f is there. Then we are calling a function here. N is equal to square. In a bracket m is there, m is our argument, and we are calling our square function here. This is our function call. Then given a printf statement, inside a printf statement our output will be there. So we are return square of the given number %f is a %f comma m comma n. Then we closed our main function here. Then our function definition will come. Float square argument is a float x. Open a curly bracket, declared the float data type variable p. P is equal to x into x because we are finding the square of a number. So here we gave formula is a x into x. Then return p. Here value of a p will be returned, and we are closed a bracket. How this program will execute? It will go to the main function. After going to main function, it will printing the statement. enter some number of a finding square. Then by using an input scanf statement, we will give an input to the program. After giving an input, it will call the function. So it will call the function. In a function call, here we return n is equal to square of a square, then inside a bracket m. So it will come to the function here, square function. Inside that our statement is a p is equal to x into x. So after taking variable float p, it will calculate the result here for x into x, then value will be returned by return type. Then from here it will come to the function call again. In function call we declared here n is equal to square m, means n is equal to the function. So value will be stored into n, output will be come into n. Here in a printf statement, it will give our output, that is a square of a given number. Percentage f is a percentage f. M will be the number and the output means square will be come into the n. So we will get an output like this. Here I enter some number. So I entered a number as a 2 there. Then 2 square is a 4. So we got output here 4. And we declared the float data type variable. So in a point value we got the output here. This is how the functions works. Thank you for watching the video.